Hello guys, this is my new project. I want to make a e-bike for this. This was e-bike before when I bought it many years ago. It has a broken battery. I fixed the battery and then I drive for some time, and after that those gears broke inside motor. Then I don't know why I didn't want to repair it. I just convert this bike to normal bike. This is the rear wheel, and this bike is 26 inch wheels, have tires. Okay, so now a few days ago I get these wheels with hub motors for free, because these have same issue. These plastic gears are broken inside of the motor. There might be some remainings of those gears. So this bike was e-bike before, so there is this box here. There was the controller, and there is a lot of space between here where to put battery. The battery is now in that vehicle behind there, and I don't wanna use that. I take some else battery to this one. But now we have a lot of problems. Starts with this wheel. This wheel is 28, so it fits here nice when there is no tire on, but when you place tire, I measured that the rubber is something like 4 centimeters, so there is not enough space for that tire. So I figure out that if I remove this stand, it's already broken. As you can see, there is this weld is cracked both sides, and this holding now only with that one bolt. It goes through here, and when I remove that bolt, this whole thing came off, and then there is enough space for a tire. Then next problem is this fender. I don't know what it is called. I have to cut this bracket and take it a little bit further so I can place that tire, but that is not so big deal. Then we have this shifter is not this is not original. This from a normal bike, and that's why, as you can see, when I trying to put that in place, now there is light. This ain't gonna match. I need to file some material off here, because this one is made for this thinner axle, and this E motor has more bigger axle. So I need to file down some of that, and then I can push that axle in place. Then I have problem. I have only two of these nuts which fits that axle. So I need to make some spacers here, or if I want to use some other nuts, I have these. These are for that original motor. Where is it? Here. Let me place some light. So you can see it's very fine thread, and this new motor has little bit wider thread. So these nuts doesn't fit very well. I can cross thread it. Maybe that's what I'm doing. I use these original nuts for inside and these wrong size nuts for outside. Or I have option also to make new threads with this tool, but I haven't decided yet. So these are the broken gears. These are nylon plastic, and what I'm ordered there is these gears with these bearings, so I can remove these bearings and put those new in this clutch assembly. Here is some generic BLDC controller. I wanna use this at that bike. It came with this potentiometer, and this changes speed 0 to full. It uses 5 volts GND ground, and that input, it's when it's 0 it's off, and when it's 5 volts it's maximum. But I can't use this one in bike. This is not good for that. So I wanna use this normal hand throttler. But this use Hall effect, and the output is like 0.9 when it's off, and maybe 4.1 when it's full. So when I connect this to the controller, the motor is then running without I'm using throttle at all. So I put one diode here, so now the voltage is maybe 0.5, and then there is no action when I don't not use this, so that's fine. But when I want to go full throttle, this outputs only something like 4 volts, so I don't get full power with that. But maybe I put another, let me call turbo turbo switch for which is just switch with which switch 5 volts to the input when I press it. So then I got full power. But I use that only when I'm driving already. You cannot go run bike for full throttle. Okay, so I have plenty of work here, and I don't know how long it's gonna take to make things work, but I update new video when I'm get something done. Thanks for watching.